So our new automated flow in aligners automatically annotates segments, cleans up the models. It does everything for you automatically. Now, if you get to this step and you realize that there's an issue or you want to go back and modify a step in the process, then you have from this back arrow, you have a drop down that allows you to go back to a particular step. So for example, if you want to adjust the two dots on each tooth, which we call the annotation, and you could go back to the annotation step as we have here, and you could grab and drag any of the nodes, or you could use the additional functionality to update the placement of those nodes. Now you go ahead, once you've made those modifications, and you click continue, and it proceeds to the next step. Once again, you could review, modify, and then just click the continue buttons until you get back and proceed accordingly. Now, if you want to disable a particular automated step for all your cases so that the software always shows you the annotation, for example, then you go to Tools, Preferences, and Orthodontics. Here we have a list of the automated steps, and they're enabled by default, but you could go ahead and change and disable any particular step or steps. So if you want to turn off automatic annotation, just change it to disabled and go ahead and click OK on the bottom. The steps that are for CT, jawbone, airways, these are obviously for cases where you've imported a CT scan as well. Now, regarding particularly annotation, assuming you have all the teeth segmented as they should be, you could turn on teeth midlines and you could see how the annotation results essentially affect the positioning of the widget on the teeth using the green and the orange indicators. Now, if there is an issue, you could click on the relevant tooth and you could click adjust midline, and now you could essentially rotate the annotation indicators that we have here to adjust the particular midlines for the particular tooth. So an annotation issue might be able to be solved directly from this screen as well. If you encounter any cases where the automation is not working perfectly, then please send us the data files to plan@BlueSkyPlan.com so we could analyze and improve the system for everybody. Thank you.